a 98 Mustang V6 5-speed. My problem is I get in with that ship key and it's in neutral and it will not start. I'm pressing in the clutch. We've replaced the starter, the solenoid on it, battery cables, battery post, everything you can think of I've replaced to try to get this car running. If anyone has any comments, please tell me, because I'm confused and I don't know what the problem is at all. Please comment on this. Thank you. Bye.